Hi guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how you can create Google Sheet desktop shortcut on PC. So the first step you need to do is to click on these 9 dots and you need to select your Google Sheet. So wait for few seconds here until Google Sheet will be open. Okay, so this is my Google Sheet. Now you need to click on 3 dots on the top, and once you are here you can see different options. You can see save and share option. Click on create shortcut. Okay, and click on create. Now you need to go back and a shortcut will be created onto your desktop. Here you can see. So this is the process how you can create Google Sheet desktop shortcut on PC. So I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.